It is a cut surface. Repeat with me. What is it? Yes, cut surface of the lung. And what does it show? It shows a cavity, right? It shows a cavity. Cavity is filled with, read it. What is it? Cavity is filled with? Yes, suppurative debris. What does the suppurative debris contain? If you see under the microscope, what will you see? You'll see necrotic material. And what is the WBC that you see in acute inflammation? Neutrophils, right? Now tell me nicely from the start. So you just have to practice this for the sake of your practicals, okay? You try to describe this. It is a cut surface of the lung showing thickened pleura, okay? So this is for everyone. This is how you describe a specimen. This is a cut surface of the lung showing thickened pleura and multiple cavities. You can say multiple cavities as well. So multiple cavities around 1 to 4 centimeter in diameter. And how does the cavity look? It is irregular and the inner walls are ragged. Okay. So pleura, you know what pleura is, right? Anatomy. It is the, yes. So pleura gets thickened because of the inflammation as well. Okay. So this is a cut surface of the lung showing thickened pleura and multiple cavities about 1 to 4 centimeter in diameter, having irregular and ragged inner margins, right? Okay, sit down. So since there is inflammation, there is necrosis. What does it mean when you say necrosis? It means the normal tissues have been broken down, right? What is the necrotic tissue? It is the dead tissue that was once normal, right? So the infection has come in, the neutrophils have come in, it has destroyed the cells. Hence, what will you see? You will see destruction, local destruction. And what happens when any kind of infection prolongs? It is considered chronic, right?